CSIR NET Life Science Reference Books. CSIR UGC NET Entrance Exam is the most prestigious and recognized national level exam at present for any research PhD aspirant and for lectureship seeking individuals. Clearing this exam requires a pinch of passion, positive attitude and smart work. It is indeed a tough nut to crack. Worry not, your own bioresource Biotechnica is here to help you out with your CSIR NET preparations. In this video, we have enlisted unit-wise reference books important for CSIR NET Life Science exam. Let's start with Unit 1 of CSIR NET Life Science exam. Unit 1 is molecules and their interaction relevant to biology. And top reference books for Unit 1 are Ecological Principles of Biochemistry by David L. Nelson and Michael M. Cox, Biochemistry by Donald Vogt, Judith G. Vogt, Biochemistry hardcover by Lubert Steyer, Enzymes, Biochemistry, Biotechnology, Clinical Chemistry by Trevor Palmer. Unit 2 is the cellular organization, and reference books for Unit 2 are Molecular Biology of the Cell by Bruce Alberts, Alexander Johnson, Julian Lewis, Molecular Cell Biology by Harvey Lodish, Arnold Burke, Chris A. Kaiser, Cell and Molecular Biology, Concepts and Experiments by Gerald Karp, Brock Biology of Microorganisms, Prescott's Microbiology by Joanne Wiley, Linda Sherwood, Chris Wolverton. Unit 3 is Fundamental Processes. For this unit, you can refer any of the 4 books listed. Molecular Biology of the Gene by James D. Watson, Ecological Principles of Biochemistry by David L. Nelson and Michael M. Cox, Molecular Cell Biology by Harvey Lodish, Arnold Burke, Chris A. Kaiser, Cell and Molecular Biology, Concepts and Experiments by Gerald Karp. Unit 4 is Cell Communication and Cell Signaling. There are 5 reference books mentioned for this unit. Molecular Biology of the Cell by Bruce Alberts, Alexander Johnson, Julian Lewis, Molecular Cell Biology by Harvey Lodish, Arnold Burke, Chris A. Kaiser, Cell and Molecular Biology, Concepts and Experiments by Gerald Karp, QB Immunology by Thomas J. Kint, Roy's Essential Immunology. Unit 5 is Developmental Biology. Important reference books for Unit 5 are Developmental Biology by Scott F. Gilbert, Principles of Development by Louis Wolpert, Cheryl Tickle, Taxonomy, Anatomy, Embryology and Economic Botany by P.B. Pandey. Unit 6 is System Physiology, Plant. There is only one important reference book for Unit 6 and that is Plant Physiology by Lincoln Tyers and Eduardo Ziega. Unit 7 is System Physiology, Animal. And the 3 important reference books for Unit 7 are Guyton and Hall Textbook of Medical Physiology, Guyton Physiology by John E. Hall, Shaw's Outline of Human Anatomy and Physiology, Animal Physiology by Gerald J. Tortora. Unit 8 is Inheritance Biology. For this unit, you can refer these 3 books. iGenetics, A Molecular Approach by Peter Russell, Principles of Genetics by D. Peter Snusted, Michael J. Simmons, Genes by Benjamin Lewin. Unit 9 is Diversity of Life Forms. The reference books for Unit 9 are Taxonomy, a text and reference book by Richard E. Blackwelder, Plant Systematics by Guru Chandran Singh, Ecology and Environment by P. D. Sharma, Plant Pathology by George Agrios, Prescott's Microbiology by Wiley. Unit 10 is the Ecological Principles. Here are the 2 reference books for Unit 10, Basic Ecology, Fundamentals of Ecology by Eugene P. Odom, Ecology, Environmental Science and Conservation by S. P. Singh, J. S. Singh, Elements of Ecology, 8th edition, Thomas M. Smith. Unit 11 is Evolution and Behavior. For this unit, there are 4 reference books which are Strickberger's Evolution by Monroe W. Strickberger, Evolution paperback by Mark Ridley, Evolution by Douglas Futima, Animal Behavior and Evolutionary Approach by John Alcock. Unit 12 is Applied Biology. The reference books for Unit 12 are Microbiology, Prescott, Brock Biology of Microorganisms Immunology, Janice QB, Plant Breeding Principles and Methods paperback by B.D. Singh, Plant Tissue Culture by Satyanarayana B.N. Unit 13 is the last unit of the syllabus, that is Methods in Biology, and the reference books are Principles of Gene Manipulation and Genomics by Sandy B. Primrose, Richard Twyman, Gene Cloning and DNA Analysis, an Introduction by T. A. Brown, Molecular Cloning, a Laboratory Manual by Joseph Sambrook, David Russell, Fundamentals of Biostatics by V. B. Rastogi, Principles and Techniques of Biochemistry and Molecular Biology by Wilson Walker. I hope this will help you with your preparation. So, what are you waiting for? Get everything that you need to get started and gear up your preparation from today itself. No excuses. Remember, there is no shortcut to success. Also, these books were never written from a CSIR net exam point of view. That is why referring to so many standard textbooks is very difficult. Keeping this difficulty in mind, Biotechnica has taken the best of all the standard books and rewritten in a notes-like format which we call as Printed Study Material or PSM. PSM is a unique set of books which has all the important and relevant notes as per the CSIR net syllabus. Check the link in the description to know more about our study material. Got questions? Call us on 1800-1200-1818 or 080-5099-700. Don't forget to subscribe to Biotechnica on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter and WhatsApp.